I'm in a 2012 Nissan Maxima. Today I'm going to show you to adjust your display language between English, Spanish, or French. So first make sure your vehicle's on, which this is, and your display's lit. From here we'll go to settings, and then we'll scroll down to others, click that, and then in here down to language and units, hit enter, and then here hit enter again on English, and then you can switch to French or Spanish or English, and then we'll do Spanish for this tutorial. And then after this few moments of prompts, it should just auto-update everything. But obviously I speak English, so I'll switch this back to English for this part. So settings, and then we'll go down to otros, enter, and then here idioma, enter. And then from here, we can switch it back to English. But I hope this was helpful, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day.